Hello friends, good morning. This is today is Sunday, so it's our last day here in Walingat National Park, and I will tour you around. I am cooking at the moment, but I think our stove is slow down now, getting out of gas. So I have still the see, I'm cooking potatoes with tomatoes, noodles, with the chicken and eggs. We just had our coffee, and this is the surrounding. So we had the sit up here. See, it's all, you are under the middle of the forest. See, that's the sit up, and that's the guy.
Darling, go and get in the photo. Take a photo of that camel. There's some beautiful photos down.
It's not yet done, that one. See, we have, there's our neighbor, there's our water, and this is the river. I'll show you the river. We did not bring the canoe, but we brought our fishing rods, but we don't have time to do fishing, so we just bought fish in the fish co-op, and I cooked yesterday, and it's so nice. See, look at this. This is the view of our campsite. Next time we will just come back here to canoe. It's hard to put in on top of the see, forest, river. Foster, I found it very interesting and nice place to live, because you have a very pleasant town of Foster and Tonkawi. Plus, because it was surrounded with waters, and new and old developments, but it's not that crowded. Plus, you have the lakes, you have the oceans, you have the beaches, you have this forest. Oh, it's so beautiful. So, and it's only 3.5 hours to Sydney, to our place. So this one is a good place also. I consider it a nice place. See, let's have a picture here. Picture. I'm glad I've been seeing these beautiful places here in Australia. I've been for you, but it's only here in New South Wales. In we haven't been to South yet intensely, but maybe after here in the west, northwest, then we'll try also there in South. Okay, it's beautiful. This is the thing. I'm cooking. We always have katol because there's so very big mosquitoes here. We always have katol. We call this katol in the Philippines.
Oh, okay. Well, this is the first place where we've really needed them.
Yeah.
Isn't it? But
yeah, big
And but if we camp near the lake that we found, we'd also need them.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think there's even more there because there's water. There's water there.
There's water. No, I think you get a lot of mozzies from trees.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because they live in.
Moses lives in water.
Anyway.
In trees? Okay. that's it for today, friends. I'll continue my cooking because we will be packing now to go home, and we will be dropping by in tea gardens,
Tea garden. We go to Bulladila,
Buladila,
and then we go to Tea Gardens and Hawk's Nest,
and Hawk's Nest.
and that's a side
Beautiful.
trip. But we're up here. We might as well have a look.
Okay. I want the tea garden.
Yeah.
I always hear that.
Yeah, it's supposed to be very nice.
Okay.
We might go for another swim there.
Okay. We swam in now. It's my first time.
Hopefully you won't be drinking seawater.
Oh yeah, it's my first time to catch the waves, and there's a style. There's a way how to do it properly, and
You needed to wear
practice.
You needed to wear a wetsuit, yeah?
Yeah, maybe next time I will be more confident.
Yeah.
Because there's a way, so you can do
But
it.
the waves are beautiful.
Yeah, it's like it's not that high.
But they're big, aren't they?
Big because it's very wide, but it's very nice in silly rocks.
Seal rocks.
Seal rocks beach. Okay, thank you. Bye. I enjoyed. I'm enjoying
And my
still.
plan is that